congratulations to the Rotary Club of Manila Bay for inviting me to your 30th Charter Anniversary and 31st induction ceremony of your new set of officers. This remarkable milestone is a testament to your unwavering commitment and dedication to the principles of service, leadership, and community engagement. Tulad ng hiyas na nagsisimbolo sa inyong 30th anniversary, it is a pearl of great price. Alam nyo, hindi biro ang tumagal ng 30 taon sa serbisyo. 30 taon ng walang sawang pagtulong. Sabi nyo nga, service above self. Rotary has always been a beacon of hope, a force for good, and a source of inspiration for those who seek to make the world a better place. Right, Rotary Club from Korea? Right. You're all over the world and the world feels it. Pag may kailangang ayusin, pag may kailangang pagtulungan, lagi kayong andyan. Your selfless acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity transform lives and, like your four-way test, foster goodwill. Pag ginagawa natin yan, di naman tayo naghahanap ng papuri, sabi nga ni Past President Dr. Ronchi. Pero sa araw na ito, nais kong sabihin sa inyo, salamat. Hindi laging headline ang gawa nyo, pero ramdam kayo ng tao. At yun ang mahalaga. So, gayahin ko si Past President JJ kanina. Tignan nyo nga yung katabi nyo. Kanan man o kaliwa. Seryoso, sabihin nyo sa kanya, proud ako sa'yo, solid. Right. Tignan nyo. Kapag sama-sama tayong kumikilos, mas malayo ang mararating. Hindi malulutas ni namang iisang tao ang kahirapan, kagutuman, pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin at iba pang suliranin. Pero ang lakas ng tiwala ko sa inyo. Ang kailangan lang, totoong pagmamalasakit. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, gagawin natin. Kung may oportunidad, kukunin natin. So, I encourage you, dear friends, to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead with enthusiasm and determination. Together, you can amplify your impact even further and create a more inclusive future for all. Every small, not so small, act of kindness, of every service project brings us one step closer to a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Muli, congratulations at mabuhay, Rotary Club of Manila Bay.